This method will allow you to identify the precise location of ice nucleation and propagation in 3 dimensions, which can be difficult with some infrared cameras. The advantage of this technique is that it provides depth information, which isn't possible with normal 2-dimensional video.
Because humans can't visualize infrared radiation, a camera which detects infrared and converts it into the visible spectrum is the only way to visualize heat-generating events such as freezing.
Even though we use this system to illustrate freezing in a strawberry plant, it could be used in any project where depth is important in a visual image.
The protocol might be difficult for some because it involves using a software with a somewhat difficult learning curve.
To begin, with fastening straps and a small block of wood, set up 2 infrared or IR cameras to produce the correct convergence angle of the lenses.
The 2 cameras must be trained on the same object but at slightly different angles corresponding to the distance between the eyes.
Mount both cameras to a 10 by 10 centimeter laboratory jack. After programming a freezer according to the text protocol, place 1 6-week-old strawberry plant with 2 to 5 flowers in a 1-liter container inside. Use the jack to position both cameras vertically so that the 2 images contain the whole plant and a portion of the soil. Then with the USB connector, connect the 2 cameras to the computer and plug the 2 AC outlets into both cameras to allow a continuous monitoring of the plants. To set up the computer and software for recording, open 2 windows of the software by double-clicking the icon for the IR camera software 2 times.